So welcome back to my channel, and it's my last day in Norway. Well, it's my last full day in Norway because tomorrow I get the ferry to Denmark. But first of all, I've made a catastrophic error in my clothing by putting shorts on. It's positively Baltic this morning, so I'm just gonna swap over a pair of jeans. And so I decided I should, on my last day, do something a little more cultural than I usually do. So we're coming to have a look at I don't know if it's the oldest, I'll find out. I think it's the largest Stave church in all of Norway. Wow, it's about 800 years old and it's completely made from wood. It's just weather, that's all it is. It's just weather. Bring back the brolly, that's what I say. So this is Stave Church in Norway, basically the medieval version of Ikea flat pack, except it's been standing since the 13th century. Built entirely of wood, no nails, and somehow still here while my van breaks every other week. It's the largest Stave church in all of Norway, and back then it doubled as both a house of God and a community meeting place. Locals say it was built by trolls overnight, which probably explains why the roof looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. Honestly, it's hard not to be impressed. Centuries of history, craftsmanship, and not a single Allen key in sight. Norways, clearly crying tears of sadness that it's my last day today. And I know how it feels. So this is my last ferry, Norway wise. Thank you so much for coming along with me on my journey and keeping me company. I really do appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to join me on future episodes.